Ever felt the panic of running out of fuel in the middle of nowhere? Japan just solved it with a crazy innovation: transparent motorcycle gas tanks. No gauges, no guessing. One glance and you know exactly how much fuel you have. But here's the wild part: the fuel itself becomes style. Different colors for different performance needs: red for high-performance racing, green for eco-friendly efficiency, and blue for long-distance engine protection. It's not just functional, it's art on wheels. So tell me, would you trust a transparent tank on your bike? Comment below and tag a rider who needs this upgrade.